New data from the Foreign Investment Review Board shows approvals for foreigners to buy Australian housing has collapsed. Another negative sign for house prices. Here's Alan Kohler.
FIRB approvals for foreigners to buy Australian housing fell 58% in the 2018 financial year to $13 billion, less than 20% of the total approvals, and the lowest level since 2010. Now, it's happening because of higher government taxes on foreigners, plus greater scrutiny of them. And local banks are not very interested in lending to foreigners anymore. And as we saw on Four Corners last night, they're having more trouble getting their own money out, especially from China. Now, foreign buyers were a big part of the reason house prices went up so much, so their departure helps explain the falls, of course. Also, there are more than 200,000 apartments currently being built, many of them sold off the plan to the vanishing foreign buyers, so developers would be now getting very nervous. On the share market, it was a day of results. Altium and IOOF produced big positive surprises, while Blackmores did the opposite, saying that sales in China aren't going too well. Cochlear increased profit, but not enough, and Coles disappointed with a 29% fall in profit for the half year. The US market was closed for President's Day, and most other global markets didn't really know what to do. It was all pretty quiet on commodity markets and on foreign exchange markets, where the Australian dollar drifted to 71.1 US cents. Growth in tourist arrivals has fallen to a 6.5-year low of 3.3%. And finally, a chart of the water usage of various crops and the return that each of them makes from that water in dollars per megalitre. Water usage is the blue bars, gross returns per megalitre are the green ones. And yes, cotton is the biggest wally with water. Rice is next. And that's finance.